Aussie Marcel here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just hit that subscribe button below. It does genuinely help me out, and as always, I appreciate everyone who has subscribed so far and is regularly watching my videos. I appreciate it more than you could possibly imagine, so thank you to those who have subscribed previously and to any of you who are thinking of subscribing in the future, so thanks. What is up, my mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be looking at this clone of Bleu De Chanel Bleu Pour-Homme. I bought this from my local pharmacy for, where is there it is, for $10 Australian, $9.99. And if this smells even a quarter as good as Bleu De Chanel, I will consider this a win. Now, I may have gone a little bit too hard on the old Pride Gold, which was a clone of Creed Silver Mountain Water. This was no good. The performance was not good. Nothing about this was good. It was very synthetic, and overall just an awful experience, even for the rock bottom price of $10. Will Bleu Pour-Homme be any better? Let's find out. So, just opening the packaging. First of all, can I smell it through the box? Nope. Here it is without the plastic wrap. First impressions are not great. It looks very cheap. Oh, here we go. This one actually has something to say. Fresh and energizing, Bleu is a tribute to the modern gentleman, evoking citrus accords and notes of dry cedar, frankincense, and sandalwood. Wow. Also, I would like to point out that this is vegan and not tested on animals. You can see the little logos right there. That's promising, I will admit. Does this one have that? This one has none of that. So this is designer brands, distributed by French Parfums Incorporated, and this one is Cosmo Designs, manufactured by Premier Cos Industries, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So I am probably going to say that this may be a little better. Let's find out. Will the box look like Bleu De Chanel? That's what I want to know. Oh, a little bit I guess, but it looks very cheap. I've seen worse though, but it does look very cheap, very basic. Glass, plastic, what do you expect? Let's see how the atomizer fares. No good. And one for the hand. Two for the hand. Immediately better than Pride Gold. Immediately better. It does smell quite a bit like Bleu De Chanel. It lacks the density of Bleu De Chanel. The Eau de Toilette of Bleu De Chanel has a really noticeable density and freshness, and the aquatic notes presented in Bleu De Chanel are quite realistic. This, on the other hand, I do get some amber straight away, and I get some aquatic notes. This one may actually perform decently, just because that amber is so prominent. I get a touch of wood, obviously the sandalwood, and there is a herbaceousness that I don't think smells like frankincense, but there is a very light thread of herbaceousness here. This smells good. I'm not gonna lie, I actually like the way this one smells. Yeah, it's not bad. I just want to show you the atomizer again, because that's probably the weakest element of this. Just no good. How does it smell in the air? Yeah, it is a decent approximation of Bleu De Chanel. At $10, I think this is a significantly better buy than Pride Gold, which was a clone of Creed Silver Mountain Water. So I would avoid Cosmo Designs and stick with designer brands. And it also helps knowing that this is vegan and cruelty-free. That does bump it up a little bit in my book. The mere fact that they've even mentioned that gives it points in my books. Some of that aquatic freshness is just tapering away ever so slightly. I get more of that amber quality and I get more of the woods here. But it's still what I would call a blue fragrance. $10, I'm actually going to give this one a pass. I think if you are after a cheap clone of Bleu De Chanel and you've got a really limited budget and you're here in Australia, Bleu Pour Homme by designer brands, I hate to say it, I've got to recommend it. But only at $10. I wouldn't be paying anything more. Yeah. I get grapefruit actually. It's a really prominent grapefruit note. And that is lingering more than the aquatic freshness. So yeah, Bleu Pour Homme, I actually don't mind this one. I reckon if you can find it for a good price, pick it up. If you've ever worn this one before, let me know in the comments below, as I love hearing from you guys. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.